Hi students, today we will discuss regarding the plus minus DC adapter. Generally in any electronic circuit, if we consider that requires DC voltage. For that purpose, generally we use DC power supply. If we consider the ordinary DC power supply, in that ordinary DC power supply, we are having two stages. One is the rectifier stage, second one is the filter stage. If you observe this one, this will be our rectifier stage and second one will be the filter stage. So whatever may be the voltage, AC voltage coming to the input of the rectifier, that will be converted into the form of DC by using this rectifier, and after that we have used the filter circuit, variations will be filtered and we are getting the pure DC. But even then this is having some limitations. The main first limitation is, suppose there may be an increment of 5% in the input signal, then automatically there will be an increment at the DC also at the output stage. Okay, and even suppose if at all any load current changes, even then the particular output voltage will be changed. This load current will be changed due to different factors, like suppose a voltage drop may be occurred at the transformer winding, or it may be occurred at the rectifier stage, or it may be occurred voltage drop across the filter stage. So due to these factors, due to these limitations, it is impossible to get a constant voltage. That's why in order to avoid that one, these limitations, we have taken another block, that is a voltage regulator. Here we have taken a voltage regulator. Okay, a voltage regulator circuit is one which maintains constant DC output voltage irrespective of the variations either in the supply voltage or load or both. So even the supply voltage may change or load may change or both can change. Even then the output voltage must be maintained constant. In order to achieve that purpose, we have taken another block, that is voltage. This is the voltage regulator. This the first stage consisting of bridge rectifier. Generally seeing, what do you mean by rectifier? Rectifier is nothing but which converts AC into the DC, that is considered to be the rectifier. A device which do this purpose where the corresponding AC will be converted into DC, that is considered to be the rectifier. After that you are having the filter circuit. So here the particular AC signal is converted into the form of DC form, but it's not pure DC. It is a pulsating DC. It is considered to be the pulsating DC. That means some AC component is mixed with the required DC component. So that AC component we call it as a ripple. Okay, this is the main important factor while defining the rectifier. So this is one important factor, and the second important factor is the peak inverse voltage. So what do you mean by peak inverse voltage? It is the maximum reverse voltage that a diode can withstand without disturbing the junction. That means how much voltage that a diode can withstand in reverse bias conditions. Here we have taken two types of regulators. One is the fixed positive voltage regulator and second one will be the fixed negative voltage regulator. So whatever may be the input coming from the bridge rectifier, so that will be filtered by using the filter circuit here, where we are getting the pure DC here. So that will be given to the voltage regulator, so that this voltage regulator will make sure that the output will be constant. How to connect by using the Mydaq, we will see. So in this plus minus DC adapter, basically we are having the first stage will be the bridge rectifier. So this will be the bridge rectifier. Here we are having the 4 diodes. So diode 1, diode 2 and diode 3 and diode 4. 4 diodes are formed in the shape of bridge shape. This is a bridge rectifier. And after that, in series to the bridge circuit, we have given a filter circuit. Second stage will be the filter circuit. I have connected two filters. One filter is for 7805, that is 1000. This is 1000 microfarad, and this is given to the 7805, and another capacitor that is given to the 7905. For this bridge rectifier, we are connecting the transformer. If you see the transformer, I have taken 12012 transformer, which is having input AC supply of 220 volts, and which is having 12 volts one side and 12 volts at another side. So this is the center tapping terminal. 0 to 12, this is also 0 to 12. I have taken 0 terminal, 1 terminal, that is given to the ground, and the second one will be the diode circuit, bridge rectifier circuit. Okay, this will be the input for the particular bridge rectifier circuit. AC signal that is coming, that will be rectified and the particular DC signal will come towards the filter circuit. So this filter circuit will act like a noise filter where the particular AC signal will be filtered. Any unwanted signal is there, that will be filtered. Thereby we are getting the perfect DC signal, and thereby the corresponding DC signal is given to the regulator circuit. This is given to the 7805 and 7905, so that the particular signal will be regulated. So now we will observe how it is working. For that purpose, I have taken the multimeter, and for that multimeter I am measuring by using the Mydaq kit. In this Mydaq kit, I have taken the AI terminal. AI terminal is given to the here we are having 0 plus, 0 minus, and AG and D is there. Okay, this 0 plus terminal I have given to the bridge rectifier. Okay, bridge rectifier input, so that we can measure the input signal, and the corresponding AG and D is given to the ground terminal. Now we will measure the output voltage by using the multimeter circuit. So in this multimeter circuit, from the Mydaq probe, I have taken the voltage. Now we will find the output DC voltage across the 7805 terminal. Now I am giving at the third terminal of the 7805. Okay, I have connected and I put the run button so that it will run. Yeah, we got the 5.1 volt for the particular signal. This is the positive voltage we got, and the corresponding negative voltage we got at the third terminal of the 7905. So I am putting it 7905 third terminal. So it will be minus 5 volts. So in this way we are getting plus 5 volts and minus 5 volts. 7805 third terminal we are getting the plus 5 volts, and at 7905 we are getting the minus 5 volts. Thank you.